Good day mga ka-eduk, we are going to discuss about the teaching professions, which is, when we say teaching professions, this is one of the most important professions in the society or in the community. Because when we teach children, we are moving the future generations. My name is Ronald Simontillo from Matatay, Tarlac City. I am 19 years old and my course is BPE, which means the Bachelor of Physical Education. And why BPE or teacher? Because this is my dream and I want to teach children to motivate and to choose their career or their path. And when we say teaching professions, me as a soon to be a professional teacher someday, I want sympathy, kindness, helpfulness, and patience. But they should have to develop themselves first. And as the teacher, are one of the most significant members of the society. They are also one of the most influential professionals in the community. Before a teacher becomes a professional facilitator, initiator, and motivator, teachers are essential learners of their own nature. The person in the society naman, professionals will not be professionals without a professional teachers. In the society, socially speaking, teachers are active competitors in these progressions and development in the social institution. Second one is the teacher in the classrooms and the community. A teacher cannot handle the whole learning of a child alone. Parents and the community are also involved in raising a child in the way that they would also learn from their teachers. Parents and the community should have a strong relationship to establish teamwork in improving the learning environment. Okay, when we say the teachers in the community, we have a diversity, which means the differences of a student based on their learning styles, multiple intelligence, needs, experiences, background, social, economic, and difficulties. And when we say becoming a global teacher, we have to broaden our teaching perspectives. And we should not be afraid of dealing with other people and expanding our experiences beyond the confines of our classroom, school, or community. The wider the learning environment, the higher the chance of achieving global competitiveness. My teaching philosophy is existentialism because this philosophical theory that people are free agents who have control over their choices and actions. It focuses on the student freedom and agency to choose their future. And when we say existentialism, this is the choices and actions na for the students. And as soon to be a teacher, we have going to take their the right or the wrong path they made. And as a student, existentialism is most important in the student because they're choosing their path or the freedom they choose to the path they take.
No. Listen, y'all. These kids want to act up in school, want to go to school and embarrass you, want to make like they got no home training. So I told my son, don't go to school embarrass me no more. I take care of you, son. I give you anything you want. I discipline you. But you're going to embarrass me like this? No, so now I'm going to cut his hair, send him to school with a bald head.